Hi, my name's Dean Bates.
Hi, I'm Laura Lepore.
Hi. So we're both on the VIZOR product team, and we thought it'd be interesting to do a short video of what's new in VIZOR 2.52308. So you ready for this, Laura?
Oh, I'm ready. I'm very ready.
Okay, so how long are we going to have to go through the features?
Let's give ourselves 5 minutes to show the best features in this release.
Okay, that's right. So have you got something to time me?
Yep.
Right.
Starting now.
Okay. So the first feature is the ability to log in with Azure AD. So previously we supported logging in with on-premise AD. Now you can log in with Azure AD and also MSA accounts. So this is configured with a new feature itself, which is a new centralized configuration area. So I'll just log in as an admin, go to configuration. Then there's a new area where you can control all of your settings from a central place, and this includes the Azure AD settings. So you can set up things like your security key and tenant ID and track if there's any synchronization errors. How are we doing with time? We still good?
That's pretty good, yeah.
Okay, cool. So also there's other settings as well. So we can cover a few new features. On the ServiceDesk side, we've got the ability to set a maximum number of records per day. So if your team's got a limited amount of resources, you can set how many requests, for example, can be made on a particular day. And similar to that is a feature called Blackout Days. So if there's any vacations coming up, then you can block out those days. So VIZOR will stop any requests being made.
So question for you, Dean.
Sure.
Because of these blackout days and the limited times of limited requests people can put in, does it just stop putting in the requests, or does it just list them for another day?
Yeah, so it actually prevents those requests being made. If you wanted, you could have a workflow. So you could enter the request, but the request would be for required on another day. But the sort of default behavior is when the request is made, you specify the day you want. And if that day is either a blackout day or has had a maximum number of requests, then it will prevent that request on that particular day. And you can select everything at that point.
Awesome.
Okay, so continuing on the ServiceDesk side, so there's some new features immediately when you go into the summary view. There's the ability to color code flags and the escalation, and there's a new communication received. So anytime there's an update to a particular ticket, either by the self-service portal or an email update, then this flag is switched. So analysts can see that there's an update from the customer or the employee with regards to that ticket. And there's a new query, so you can see all tickets where there's been a communication update coming through.
Oh, well, that's pretty helpful. So then you can go directly to the ones where you know people have already, responded, and then you can answer them accordingly.
Yep, that's exactly it. And if you wanted, you could have a widget on your homepage so you could see all the issues with communication received and go straight to that particular query.
Okay, cool.
So within a ticket itself, then we've now got a notion of tasks. So you can separate a ticket into individual tasks. And this can be useful for checklists as well. And each task can obviously be assigned to a particular person, and you can track the life cycle of a task itself. And yeah, and obviously multiple tasks per ticket.
Oh, that's cool.
To track the life cycle, then if a ticket is marked as closed and if a ticket is marked as to be verified and a certain time period has elapsed, so maybe 14 days, for example, then a ticket can be automatically closed. So this can be useful if you've asked an end user or a customer for an update and they haven't replied, then maybe the issue is resolved, for example, so you can close that ticket down or mark it as to be reviewed.
Okay, that's pretty good for workflows.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay,
There's round robin ticket assignment. So when new tickets are created via the self-service portal or our email integration, then they can be assigned automatically to individuals on the team on a round robin basis.
Okay, and round robin is just going around in a circle, I guess.
Yeah. So that complements the functionality we had previously, where we could do ticket routing based on, for example, the category of a ticket. So all tickets with a printer may go to a particular individual or work team. But in this case, it's round robin. So it's just going to 5 people in a team will go to the first, second, etc.
Okay, cool. So just to let you know, there are 30 seconds left to your 5-minute feature demonstration. Is there anything else you want to show anyone?
Okay, well, I think that will probably cover the ServiceDesk side, and we can do another video on asset management and the software asset management.
Cool. Well, thanks everyone for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next 5-minute feature video.
Thanks, everyone. Bye.